Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this pair of women's tennis shoes to go ahead and tell you all about them, and that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, these are women's tennis shoes from Dream Pair. A couple of quick things about them. They are lightweight, they are stylish, and they feel really good. Couple quick things. Let's talk about style first. You can see they are chunky. They are big. Look at this. I like to call these kind of like street shoes or city shoes. These are the sort of shoes you would wear for walking in the city, for going to work, coming back from work, going on a shopping trip. They just look urban to me. It could just be the color, but I think it's the chunkiness and the styling of it. It looks like a sports shoe, but it's also kind of a comfy, comfortable walking shoe. You can see here the sole is a little bit chunky as well. It's kind of a nice rubber sole here. The styling itself, it has a lot of different cool designs on the side, kind of like almost like leatherette little layers there. You can see the laces is not a thin lace; it's a thicker lace, so it is kind of a sports shoe, kind of a like a tennis shoe of sorts. It does have lots of padding in there. My wife and daughter have both worn this. They wear the same size, and they say these are really, really comfy. My daughter actually likes the height they give because they do have a little bit of a not quite a heel, but they do have some extra height to the sole. My daughter really likes that. My wife's a little less into that. But they are nice and soft. All the padding around the side is very thick, so you don't not going to have a lot of chafing around your ankle. You probably want to wear socks with this. You don't have to though, because they're so soft on the inside. But it's kind of has that nice padding on the back and on the front here. You'll see that a lot on sports shoes, on tennis shoes. So you can actually run in these. You can do some exercise. You can work out in these. The nice thing is they are so lightweight. They are super lightweight. No one likes tennis shoes that are heavy and bulky and you almost feel like you're wearing like blocks of wood on your feet. Not these. They're soft, they're comfy, and they're just kind of a nice, cool tennis shoe. They look cool. They look, because of the chunkiness, it makes your foot look a little smaller, actually, like a little more petite or a little cuter, I guess. But it just kind of a chunky fun factor. Again, I think of them as like a city, but you might think otherwise. You might really just like the style. They just look good, honestly, and they're comfortable. So, yeah, highly recommended.